Altcoins are falling right now, including the likes of XRP, down 2.5% to 48 cents. This is crucial because this is where whales usually come in pretty hot and heavy. And you can see here in the last month, we have just been trending down. However, if we look at the last year, look at where we are right now on the chart at 48 cents. And look how we've bounced off of these levels. Of course, we're waiting for the big breakthrough with XRP. And if you're an XRP investor, you understand that you're playing the long game here, right? And part of playing the long game is having information that gives you confidence for the long term, right? And this right here should definitely add to your Rolodex of information as to why someone would be bullish on XRP. So recently there was research AI spotlighting Google's investment into Ripple. And people even, in some ways, call Ripple the Google of this generation, or the new Google for Web3 and blockchain and the future of money. Now, if we get into this, this is Perplexity, a research AI resource. They recently spotlighted Google's initial investment into Ripple in the company's formative stage, very early on. So check this out. This disclosure originated from an inquiry by Ashley Prosper, who's a member of the XRP community, who recently turned to Perplexity to inquire about potential partnerships between Ripple and big companies, giants like Amazon and Google. Well, Prosper initially queried Perplexity on any partnership between Ripple and Amazon shortly after reports confirmed that Jeff Bezos, American entrepreneur and CEO of Amazon, had invested in the AI research platform through his investments firm Bezos Expeditions. Perplexity asserted that there is no potential partnership at this time between these two, suggesting this collaboration could see Amazon leverage Ripple's tech to streamline its payment infrastructure, further improving supply chain management. And we know that this is a big area that Ripple is focused in on. Now, if we take a look at the latest query on Google, though, this is interesting. Okay, the AI basically said that Google has invested into Ripple. So, very interesting. Prosper recently made a similar query about Google and Ripple. Here's what came out of it. Due to the previous response regarding Amazon stemming from false reports, some XRP community members have been reluctant to consider the latest one factual, especially newer members who were not around when the investment was announced. But Google did invest in Ripple. But this development occurred in the company's formative years. Following the investment from Google, Ripple went on to secure extra $55 million from global banking behemoth 8 years ago, bringing its total funding to $93 million back in September 2016. At the time, reports confirmed Ripple had already partnered with 15 out of the 50 largest global banks. Since then, no new developments have occurred between Google and Ripple or the XRPL, despite recurrent speculations. Now, a lot of that has to be stemming from the mess that, the SEC pretty much dragged Ripple into. For instance, rumors from last year suggested Google was running an XRPL node, but the Crypto Basic promptly debunked these rumors. Here's what we do know. Big companies are interested in XRP. Google did invest in Ripple in the early days. And if and when this lawsuit gets done, which I do think it will at some point later this year, there's no telling how many other big companies are going to find Ripple attractive and XRP attractive as investment vehicles. Will Ripple actually do an ICO? That's yet to be seen. And people have their varying opinions on that. Feel free to share them, down below in the comment section. The only notable development here surrounding Google and XRPL, though, involved Google Cloud's entry into the Flare network as an infrastructure provider and a contributor to the FTSO. But this tells me big companies are still very interested in Ripple's tech, and obviously this could impact XRP's price in the long term. We've seen XRP's price basically act like a stable coin. People like to poke fun at that. I still think there's a lot of value here long term, right? Because you just have to go back to the basics and see what XRP and Ripple provide, right? And that's why there's the initial interest from all these big companies, big banks, and why I think this could be reignited once they're fully clear from the SEC. Now, you guys have to make your own decisions, as always. Before we get up on out of here, I do want to give you guys a good little breakdown of Margex leverage trading platform. I've got some money over here in Margex, making some plays. And I'll tell you what, if you guys are looking to trade with leverage, Margex, there's no KYC. You're going to get a 20% sign-on bonus. Guys, check it out. Sign up today. Get that 20% sign-on bonus and get ready for when this market really rips. Keep in mind, it is a leverage trading platform. So if you're interested in leverage trading, check out Margex. Links down below. Appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.